Ever wonder how those top CEO negotiate those jaw-dropping salaries? Well, stick around. In this video, I'm going to discuss secret tricks which is used by the CEO to skyrocket their paycheck, and you can use them too. By end of this video, you will be learning powerful tricks to boost your salary, gain solid confidence while talking money with your potential employer. Also, we will let you know how to dodge those common mistakes that trip most of the people. Do you know the average person leaves thousands of dollars on the table just by not negotiating well? Surprising, isn't it? Well, don't worry. I will reveal the secrets straight from boardrooms of top CEOs and tips you won't find anywhere else. Also, get ready to transform your negotiation game and secure the salary you truly deserve. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about salary negotiation hack which is used by top CEOs. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's kick off the thing by talking about some killer strategy to negotiate a higher salary. Strategy number 1. Research and benchmarking. Always know your worth before going into the salary negotiation. Use websites like Glassdoor and PayScale to understand the average salary for your role. Think of it like shopping for a new phone. You wouldn't just buy the first one you see without even comparing prices and features, right? A CEO told us how researching industry standards helped them to negotiate 20% higher salary for their first executive position. Strategy number 2. Leverage your unique skills. Always highlights what sets you apart from other candidates. Your skill, experience, and what additional value you can add to the company. Imagine you are a superhero. What's your superpower? Maybe it's your ability to manage tough projects or your keenness for creative solution. A top tech CEO emphasizes their successful projects and unique skill results in a much higher offer. Remember, your unique value is your secret weapon. Strategy number 3. Timing. Timing is everything. The best time to negotiate your salary is just when you received your offer, but you have not accepted it. This is when you have the most power. Studies show the candidate who negotiate at this stage often see up to 10 to 15% increase in their offer. It's like holding an ace up your sleeve in a card game. So, play it at the right moment and you will win big. Next thing is confidence. Confidence is key while negotiating your salary with your employer. And here is how you can build it up and make a strong case for yourself. Tip number 1. Practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Always rehearse your pitch either with your friend or mentor or maybe in front of a mirror. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it works. Tip number 2. Frame the conversation positively. Always focus on how your skill and experience provide benefit to the company. Don't always talk about what you want. Think of it as a win-win situation. An executive frame their request by aligning their goal with the company's growth, making a negotiation win-win. Remember, everyone loves positive vibes. Tip number 3. Use a confident body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use firm handshake to show your confidence. Did you know that non-verbal cue like body language can significantly impact how your message is received? So, channel your inner superhero and project that confidence. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes which can mess up your negotiation. Remember, even the best tricks can fail if you fall on this common mistake. Mistake number 1. Accepting the first offer. Always remember the first offer is usually not the best offer. A CEO who regretted accepting first offer early in their career learned to always counter for a better deal. Remember, they expect you to negotiate. Mistake number 2. Focusing only on salary. Remember, benefit and perk also matters. An executive negotiated extra vacation day and stock option which made the overall deal much better. It's not just about the money. Remember, it's all about the whole package. Mistake number 3. Being unprepared. Always come to the negotiation with fact, figure, and exactly what is your worth. Candidates who come prepared with data and a clear plan are more likely to succeed. Think of it like going into the battle. You will need to have your armor and weapons ready. So, there you have it. How to negotiate your salary just like CEO. Remember, you deserve to be paid what you worth for. So use this hack and go get the salary what you deserve for. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friend. Good luck for your next salary negotiation. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your negotiation success together. Bye for now.